Hey everyone, so in today's video we're going to be doing a box opening on a Husqvarna weed eater I just picked up. This is a 330LK. It's a pretty big one. It's got a 20-inch diameter, which is what I wanted, a bigger one, a little heavier duty. It's kind of heavy. It has a little box here. We're going to open this up and see what comes in here, put it together, gas it up, start it up, and see how it cuts. So go ahead and open this box up, see what it comes with. Comes with some oil, comes with the gas cap, and it comes with a bunch of instructions and warranty card and all that good stuff. So we'll take a look at that stuff later. First thing we're going to mess with here is this handle. It's way too high for me. You know, it's not going to work out. I need it down here a little bit farther. So just loosen it up here. There's a wing nut on the back. It's a plastic wing nut, and you can just slide your handle down to a more comfortable position. For me, it's right here. It's going to be different for everybody depending on how long their arms are. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it up. And it's tight. It's ready to go. We're going to go ahead and look at the head here. It comes with string. You just got to pull these out. Let's go ahead and take this apart and see how to restring this thing. There's two little tabs here. You just pull on them or push them in, and you can pull the whole thing off. The whole thing comes off as one, and then it slides in and out here, your spool, and that's where you load it in at, and then you just put it right back. And that's how you're going to change out your string. It's got a bumper on it, so it pulls out as you bump it to the ground. You can see it there. And then your blade guard. Some people take these off. You don't have to, but I like keeping them on just so your string doesn't get too long. And then next, all you need to do is put gas in here. Now this is a 50-to-1 ratio. It's not standard gasoline. You're going to need to mix it up. I already have some mixed up because I have a bunch of Husqvarna stuff already, so we're going to go ahead and put some gas in here and then try starting her up. If you got a funnel, use one. You don't need one. I like using funnels just because it's more convenient. I don't like spilling gas everywhere. When it comes with a gas cap, the gas cap is separate, and it was in the box, so we'll go ahead and put that in here and tighten her up. Next on this, what you're going to have is a little nipple here. You're going to want to pump until you feel some gasoline in there. It's usually about 10 pumps is what it says on the instructions. When you start this up, the instructions are usually right here. It tells you what to do. It says to hit the nipple 10 times to get some fuel in your carburetor. Pull your choke all the way up, and then pull it 3 times. Then put it halfway down. Pull it up to 5 times. It says 5 times, but usually 1 or 2 times will do it. Wait 10 seconds and put it all the way down. So let's go ahead and start this up. Does really well on grass. Let's it's got a really heavy gauge string. You can see this in here. I'll find out the thickness here in a little bit. But let's I really got this so I could do like some heavier weeds. So let's run to my barn and try to cut down some weeds around my barn and see if this thing holds up to it. We got all this tall weeds. We're talking 5 foot tall. We're gonna see if this thing can take them down. If not, no big deal, but hoping it will, so I don't have to keep bringing out the bigger, heavier gauge brush trimmers. So start it up and see what she can do. All right, does pretty good work. Had a hard time with some of the bigger stuff. Now it's August, so this stuff has been growing since, you know, April, May. I haven't trimmed it up at all. The smaller stuff in the front was really easy to take down. I mow up there a lot, and but the bigger stuff, some of those stalks are about an inch thick. This thing's not really coming through them too much. You can see here though, this is kind of cool. Inside this plastic, there's some actual wire in there, so it's a little bit stronger than your normal stuff, or just got a better core. No, it's wire. little split end over here. Yeah, it feels like metal. So it's a wire in there, and that's what's making these a little bit stronger. Kind of nice that they do that. Husqvarna 330LK. Pretty heavy duty, like it a lot. I think it did a good job. Did exactly what I wanted it to. The string on here, this is a heavier gauge string. It's 0.105 and you can get as low as 0.08 is what they recommend, 0.08 to 0.105. The gas is 50 to 1, and good machine. Go ahead and get this in there for you guys. So if you guys like watching these videos, hit that like button. Really helps the channel out. I'll put a link in below if you want to purchase this. Use my link. It'd really help my farm out. Thanks for watching.